Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to insert header and footer in Microsoft Word document. In order to do that, I will show you two different ways of doing that, and they are pretty simple. So the first way is to go to the margin area, this area for inserting a header in your Microsoft Word document. So if you go to margin area at the top, and double click on it, this area would be activated, and you can write, for example, I'm writing journal article here, so that's the header, but you can also add date on it. So click enter, and the cursor now is at the second line, and you'll go to now it's the header and footer tab, and you get time and date. You also several options of writing this, but I'm gonna select this one, and so December 24, 2024. So that would be the date here, but there's an option called update automatically. You can uncheck this box, or you can check this box. This means that no matter when you created this document, it will be updated automatically, and the day you print it out will be the day that will be here if you check this box, because that will update automatically. So I'm gonna update it so that the day I print it out, I want that date to be the date on my document. So click OK, and then you can close header and footer. Click here, or you can also double click inside the document. So there you go, and you have successfully added header in your Microsoft Word document. So I'm not going to repeat this process for the footer, because the same thing, you go here and write your footer and do the same steps that I followed for inserting header here. So I'm not going to repeat that. So now how to delete it? So click on it again and select it and just backspace, and it's all gone. And I'm going to show you the second way, which is to go to insert tab in the ribbon, click on it, and then you'll find an option called header here, and also footer if it's for the footer. So click on the header, and you'll see a lot of different built-in design for adding your header. So you can use any of the design, but I'm going to use this one, the default. So you can type here in this section, you can type journal article, and you can add your date the similar way that I did it before, and click OK, and close header and footer. So you can delete this by selecting it, like double clicking the margin area and backspace, or you can also go to header and remove header. Okay, so yeah, and then close header and footer, and there you go, it's all done. So you have learned how to add header and footer in Microsoft Word document, and how to delete them. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel.